Just now our respected IOP R. Ashok told about this most sorrowful incident happened yesterday night in Karur during the rally of TVK President Actor Vijay. First of all, I would like to convey my sincere, heartfelt condolences to the bereaved families. And also I am praying God to give enough strength for the speedy recovery of the injured patients who are under the medical treatment. It is most unfortunate and irresponsible authorities and government which has violated all prescribed norms, organizers, also administration. They have to anticipate such a crowd is coming, but 10,000 people has been permitted. In spite of that, about 1 lakh people assembled in a narrow road, narrow area. It is most astonishing to listen to all these things. Honorable Prime Minister, Home Minister, our party President, Tamil Nadu unit, Karnataka, everybody. It is not a political aspect, it is a humanitarian thing. We are unable to digest the incident. And this is the moral responsibility. The Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu should own a moral responsibility for this entire incident. And on Vijay and all other organizers, the law of land should take its own course of action. Already Tamil Nadu BJP demanded a sitting judge inquiry, detailed inquiry, what are the shortcomings, what are the failures, everything thoroughly inquired. It is not an easy thing. And just I-washed they announced from whatever the thing, the next judge or sitting retired judge. We demanding the sitting judge of Supreme Court level should inquire all these incidents, like told by our Ashoki in our this Royal Challenger Bangalore. Issue also stampede happened in Bangalore. Then Telugu actors film release also happened. The authorities should be careful about all these things because innocent lives. After this stampede, all the small children, all innocent who are fond of filming race, they came. That is not their sin in their part. But the authorities and the organizers should be very careful. The government should be an eye-opener for the Tamil Nadu government. The stringent action should be taken. Whoever violated the norms and procedures and rules of that area, and I am once again conveying my condolences. So barely they announced 10 lakh rupees the state government, that is not enough. We cannot bring back the lives of the innocent lives. But 1 crore minimum rupees to the bereaved families and 1 employment job and sitting judge inquiry that is immediately needed. And once again, our already Bharatiya Janata Party Tamil Nadu unit are visiting there, and what best we can do within our limit, we are participating in the rescue and all operations, whatever the disaster management. And this is a very serious crime, human crime. That is the reason I am once again appeal the government come forward with the sitting judge of Supreme Court level or High Court should be immediately according to the demanded by our Tamil Nadu BJP.
Was there any
only humanitarian? As a citizen of this country, I am expressing my views. This is the law. The authorities are the responsible. The administration is the responsible. The government is the responsible. But we cannot bring all. So many people are. Because it's astonishing to listen. The entire country is in shake about this incident. How it happened, why it happened, what are the shortcomings. That way we don't want to comment in a political aspect. Everybody is having their own right to have a meeting, but within the law of land. Thank you.
ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳಿಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿಧ್ವನಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕಾನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ.